10 Genius Ways to Clean Your Kitchen with Baking Soda. Clean burnt pots and pans. Sprinkle baking soda over the burnt area, add hot water, and let soak overnight. Scrub in the morning, the residue lifts easily. Deodorize the fridge. Place an open box or small bowl of baking soda in the fridge to absorb food odors. Replace every 1 to 2 months. Freshen up the trash can. Sprinkle baking soda in the bottom of the bin or under the liner to neutralize smells between trash changes. Scrub the sink. Mix baking soda with a little water to make a paste. Use it to scrub stainless steel, it lifts grime and deodorizes. Clean the oven. Make a paste with baking soda and water, spread it over the oven interior, and let it sit overnight. Wipe clean the next day. Unclog and deodorize the drain. Pour 1/2 cup of baking soda followed by 1/2 cup of vinegar down the drain. Let bubble, then rinse with hot water after 10 to 15 minutes. Remove coffee and tea stains from mugs. Sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge and scrub stained mugs, no more brown rings. Shine your stainless steel appliances. Gently scrub with a paste of baking soda and water, then buff with a soft cloth. Clean the dishwasher. Sprinkle 1 cup of baking soda on the bottom and run a short, hot cycle. It removes odors and buildup. Deodorize cutting boards. Sprinkle baking soda over the surface, scrub with a damp sponge or half a lemon for double power, and rinse. And there you have it, 10 smart, simple ways to clean your kitchen with just baking soda. Have you tried any of these tricks already? Let us know in the comments. If this helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense cleaning tips.